I used to make some big skincare mistakes that were literally ruining my skin without me even realizing it. But I fixed it, and my skin has been better than ever since. Hey guys, it's Christina, and I am going to share with you guys what these skincare mistakes are and how I fix them to help you guys be able to not make the same mistakes that I did. So let's get into this video. I have about 4 or 5 skincare mistakes that I made that I want to never make again, and I want to help you guys never make it. So let's get into this video. Number 1 is I would wash my face with a washcloth. You are not supposed to wash your face with a washcloth. You need to just use cleanser and use your hands, not use a washcloth. A washcloth can cause wrinkles and it is just bad for your skin, and I never realized that until just a few years ago. But ever since I did, I've never touched my face with a washcloth ever again because I don't want to cause myself wrinkles as I get older. So I have started using my hands. I just put cleanser in my hands and just use my hands, which brings me to my second one that I'm still making this mistake sometimes, and it's because I get lazy. But I know better, but I didn't know better until just a few years ago, or just a couple years ago, but it makes sense. The second skincare mistake that I made is I wouldn't wash my hands before touching my face to clean my face and to do my skincare. I would just do my skincare, and I still have days that I do that, and I know not to, but some days, I'll be honest, I do it anyway, but some days I still do it. Just full transparency, some days I'm not perfect, no one's perfect, some days I still do this. Wash. Please wash your hands before, because when you wash your face and then you aren't washing your hands beforehand, it kind of defeats the purpose of washing your face, because you're just putting the dirt right back on, because you're putting the dirt from your hands right back on your face. So you're not really cleaning your face. So you may be getting the makeup off, you may be getting some of it off, but you're putting dirt right back on. So always make sure to wash your hands. It is so important to wash your hands before you do your skincare, because if you don't, you're really just putting dirt right back on it, which is terrible, and it defeats the purpose of even washing your face. Why should you wash your face if you're just putting dirt right back on it? So always make sure to wash your hands and make it a practice. You just have to get in the habit of doing it. I'm in a habit of doing it, but sometimes I do get lazy, and even when you get lazy, and I'm talking to myself too, even when you get lazy, you still need to do it, and you still need to take those extra 2 minutes and wash your hands. So always wash your hands before doing your skincare. The third skincare mistake that I would make is not wearing sunscreen. For the longest time, I hated wearing sunscreen on my face. I mean, I hated it. It was the worst thing ever. I did not want to wear it. I did not want any part of sunscreen on my face. I'd wear it like if I went to the pool or I went to the beach or whatever, but on a daily basis, I would not wear sunscreen. Now, I wear sunscreen on my face and my neck every single day. I do not go without a day wearing it. And the reason I didn't is because I hated the filling on my face, but I found 2 sunscreens that you don't even feel like you're having sunscreen, and you don't have that smell of sunscreen on your face all day long. The 2 are ITK and the Glow Screen. Both of those, you do not have that scent and you don't feel it. It just feels like you're not wearing anything, which is what I really like. That's the main reason why I made that mistake of not wearing sunscreen every day, is because I just hated that feeling of sunscreen on my face. But now that I found too that I don't feel, I stopped making that mistake. So if you make that mistake and you're making it because you don't like the feeling of it, then try Glow Screen or try ITK's sunscreen. It will be a game changer for you. But if you're doing it because you forget to do it, just add it into your skincare routine in the morning. Just add one more step and add sunscreen into that routine. That way you're not making that excuse of forgetting it. So just make it into your routine and find a sunscreen that you like. that'll really be beneficial to you and you won't make that mistake anymore. And I used to make the mistake of, oh, it's raining outside, I don't need it. There are still rays, sun rays, coming through those clouds. And even on cloudy days, rainy days, snowy days, it does not matter what type of day it is, there's still sun rays. So make sure, even on those days, that you're wearing sunscreen. I'd make that mistake a long time ago. Oh, I don't need it. Yes, you really do need it, even on those days. So wear it every single day, 365 days a year. Just wear your sunscreen. Number 4 is picking at bumps and popping bumps. Popping pimples. It was partly because that's how I grew up. That's how my parents did it. That's how they did it. So that's how I would do it. But the last few years, after I found pimple patches and learned how bad it is and how it can cause scarring, and it won't always get all of it out. When you pop them, it'll put a lot of it back into your skin, which is not good. You can have major problems with that and get an infection. So I use pimple patches now. I will always use pimple patches. I use Mighty Patch. I love Mighty Patch. It is so good. They're my favorite. So I just put Mighty Patch on, and I use ITK's acne cream, acne spot cream, and their blemish mist that gets it right away. A lot of time anymore, I don't even use my patch. I'll just use the ITK acne cream and the ITK blemish mist. I literally had a bump forming here last night, and I do have makeup on, but I had one right here. You can probably see my skin right here. Even with the makeup on, you can probably tell it's gone. I sprayed it on there, and by morning it was gone. So it works fast and you don't have to pick at it. So make it a practice to not pick at it and use the ITK blemish mist, the ITK spot cream, or a Mighty Patch. Use those things. And then you don't have to feel like you have to pick at it. You have other options that are actually good for you and good for your skin, and you're not picking at your skin. Because that has become literally a total game changer for me, and I no longer pick at my skin, and I don't have anyone else do it for me either way, my mom or my dad at all. I just put eye spray and I call it a day, or put some cream on, call it a day, or put a patch on, call it a day. I don't touch bums any longer. And another thing that I used to forget, and I used to make this mistake by just forgetting, is doing my neck, like moisturizing my neck, until I saw a YouTube video of someone saying don't forget your neck. I think it was Adrienne Houghton. I cannot remember. Maybe it was Adrienne. I think it may have been her, but I can't remember. Of not forgetting your neck. And after that, I'm like, okay, don't ever forget your neck. So I don't forget my neck anymore. I always moisturize my neck. I do my serums on my neck, sunscreen on my neck, everything to my neck, just like I do my face, which is so important because when you age, your hands and your neck are the first thing to like show aging. But if you're moisturizing and taking care of it, you're still gonna look younger when you get older through your neck if you are moisturizing it and taking care of it. So always make sure to remember your neck. It's as important as your face. Remember your neck. So that is all of these skincare mistakes that I have. What are some skincare mistakes that you've made? Let me know in the comments, and I will be happy to help you fix those mistakes. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment any other videos you'd like to see, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.